Introducing Control-D Advanced Blood Glucose Monitor, a simple, accurate and portable device to measure your blood glucose levels. Control-D Glucometer Kit consists of glucometer, lancing device, battery, lancets, test strips and user manual. To get started, insert the battery with the plus side facing up. Press the arrow button to check if glucometer is functioning. Twist open the cap of lancing device and insert a lancet. Press down firmly until you hear a click and see indicator turn red. Twist to remove the star cap on the lancet. Close the cap of lancing device. Rotate the dial for the pricking depth setting of lancing device, 1 being the lowest and 5 being the maximum pricking depth. Wash and dry your hands. Clean the puncture site with the alcohol swab. Open the test strip box and take out a test strip. Ensure to close strip box immediately. To test, start with the meter switched off. Insert a test strip with black part going in the meter. Screen will display a blood drop sign. Press the lancing device firmly against your fingertip and push the button to prick. A blood drop will form at puncture site. Touch the test strip gently against the blood drop. It will automatically absorb the blood and display the results in 5 seconds. Remove the test strip. Glucometer will automatically switch off. Remove the lancet from lancing device and discard. Take care of your health anytime, anywhere with Control-D Advanced Blood Glucose Monitor.